Hey guys, this is Greg with Medical Muscle. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys the top 3 books that I think most medical students would benefit from. So let's get going. Number 1 is Atomic Habits by James Clear. I love this book. It's how to build good habits, how you can to identify destructive habits and how to extinguish them. Having good habits is going to be how a student differentiates themselves from the average to the excellent, okay? And it's being consistent and having good habits starting in the first year will help you tremendously, and you build off of them every year going into clinicals. All right, number 2 is The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. I found this extremely helpful, especially in surgery. I feel like there's a big power dynamic in surgery. The surgeons, the attendings can be very dominating, and so can the residents. There's kind of a power struggle going on. And it's interesting to kind of observe the psychology of the power plays that people make and how to move forward in the medical system and what your role is as a medical student. You, as a medical student, can really shine and really make yourself stand out if you can play the game right, okay? I found it very helpful to the point where I'm getting a letter of recommendation from one of the top surgeries in the state. All right, so very helpful. I thought it was really good. And also a very entertaining book. All right, and number 3, and I feel like this is probably, it's a topic that doesn't get talked about a lot with medical students, and that's money. Obviously, you're gonna make money when you become a physician, but until then, you're gonna take out a ridiculous loan, okay? And it's very important for you to know how to manage your money early, okay? How can you limit how much loan you take out every term? And the book that I suggest is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. It's excellent. It's also a psychology book, so it has a lot of human psychology in there. It's very entertaining. But I think it's really good for you to learn these skills early so that you don't put yourself into a really bad situation once you graduate. All right, guys. Now, I know you're busy. You might not have time to read. You can always do audiobooks. I do this while I'm working out. I do this while I'm driving. I do this while I'm driving to the hospital. I find it very helpful, okay? And I love it. It helps stimulate my brain outside of the hospital. All right, guys. So I hope you guys like this. If you do, go ahead and give me a like down at the bottom of the video. Also subscribe, and of course you can always Instagram DM message me if you have any specific questions. And if you guys would like a discount on Boards and Beyond video series, go ahead and look at the link below. All right, guys, kick some booty.